if you are looking for ways and means to create an investor password for your Deriv trading account, then this is how you can do it. Let me take you through the steps right away. So the first thing that you have to do when you log into your Deriv trading account on the website, okay, not the application, use the website. So right now I'm using Google Chrome. So when you come here, just come to the menu bar over here and make sure you are on Traders Hub, right? So once you are here, you go ahead and select the specific account you want to create the investor's password for. In this case, I'm going to switch over to my demo account, all right, because I've already created an investor password for my real account already. So I'm going to switch over to demo and I use this one to demonstrate how it is done for you. So I've created a demo account right away. You can see it over here. That's $10,000 over there. But the next step that you have to follow in the process of creating your investor's password is to tap on the open right here. You can see the open over here. Tap on it, right? So this open that you are going to tap on, it should be on the specific accounts that you want to create the investor's password for, right? So as me, you are using a real account, it should be on that specific real account. Maybe you have more than one real account. Select the one that you want to create the investor's password for, right? So in this case, I'm using this particular account right here, okay? So I'm going to tap on open. From here, this is where the whole thing is going to happen, right? So you can see this option over here. I think let me just highlight it for you. You can see this whole part over here, right? Where we have the broker, server, login ID, and a password, right? So what you are going to do is tap on forgot password. Right, so when you're here, you could see we have DMT5 password and we also have investor's password or investor password, right? So what we want to do is to come to investor password. Okay, so over here, since we don't have any password already, we can go ahead and input our password. So let's assume a password. Okay, so once I've input this password, what I'm going to do is to tap on create or reset investor password, right? So we've sent you an email. Please click on the link in the email to reset your password, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over there quickly. All right, you can see the email right here, deriv.com, new DMT investor password. Okay, so what I'm going to do is locate over here where you say change my investor password. I'm just going to click on it and that's it. All right, so that's basically it. I'm just going to tap on OK. Now let's find the details of our account, right? So let's see what's the login for this account. Let's go and log in onto our MT5 platform and let's see how it's going to look, right? So the server is Deriv demo and the number is 5501494. All right, so let me go to my MT5 platform right away. Search for deriv.com and go to Deriv demo, and I'm going to enter the login detail over here, 5501494. Then the password, I'm going to use the investor's password that I've just created. Then I'll go ahead and log in. All right, it has been logged into successfully, right? So this is what I want you to notice, or this is what I want you to have a look at, right? You can see at the corner over here, they have what? Read only, meaning this account, I cannot use it to trade or do anything. I can only see whatever is going on over there. So that's a kind of importance of the investor password, meaning anybody who has access to that investor password can only view your trading history and the person will not be able to access or do anything, right? You could say I cannot place a trade. Okay, read only mode, you are connected with an investor password. To get access to trading, please log in with the main password, right? So yeah, that's it, and that's how you can create your Deriv investor password. Okay, and I hope this video has been helpful so far. If you want to learn how to create an investor password on Exness account as well, let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly make a video on that for you. And if you want to learn how to backtest your forex trading strategy for free with a bar replay tool, you don't actually have to use TradingView. There is a software that you can use. Check out the video on your screen right now and you'll be able to do that for free, right? I'll see you in the next video.